Hi, I'm preparing a cake for my mom for Mother's Day. These are the ingredients I need. Cake mix, water, butter, and eggs. The first step is I need to put into the cake mix to the steel bowl. So the next step is I need to put in the water. That's good. And the third step is I'm gonna do the eggs. Well, I don't know how to crack the eggs.
The eggs and
Wait.
It's very hard. You can't touch it.
Wait, Daddy, I want to do the eggs.
Okay, good. Okay.
Wait, I'm recording. Can I have the thing what you're holding?
Okay. See?
Next is the butter. And now we're gonna stir it. So my dad is gonna find the mix for me.
Here, there you go. Do it slowly.
So I have to do it slowly. And I can put it in the, now the cake pattern is ready. I'm pouring the cake batter to the cake pan. So I gotta be careful to not spill any. Now I'm gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now with the help of your parents, put the cake pan with the cake mix to the oven. Now bake the cake for 16 minutes. So this is the cake from the oven baking the cake, and cool 10 to 15 minutes before frosting it. I'm gonna add frosting on the cake, then I'm gonna add sprinkles. So frosting is done. So now I'm gonna add sprinkles on it. Mommy, the cake is ready. Happy Mother's Day. So the cake is ready, guys. And it's tasting time. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. How does my cake taste?
It's so good, baby. Thank you for making the cake.